Then we have to say action for action.
Action.
Cooking with Cody every day, and every night cooking off the stove, filling up your appetite. If your cookie's really bad, then it's just like mine. Cody will show you how to do it just right.
Hope you're okay. Subscribe to YouTube if you haven't already. Click the bell notification so you can see everything that we're going to be doing forever and ever, forever.
I've got my water.
You going to get that?
Yeah.
Show it to everybody and tell everybody what it is.
A water.
Watercress.
Yeah.
So where's that come from?
From that door.
From school.
This bit here, that's not.
So what's inside there? Tell me about it.
That's what things to keep your words safe and your head.
So what do you need to do to this to make it grow? How did you make it grow? Do you want to tell all your friends how you made it grow?
We got a white bit inside of it. And
Like
then,
cotton wool?
Yeah, white this colour, that's white.
White, yeah.
White, and then it starts to grow.
Okay.
And then some has to grow higher, and some is like this.
And what's the first letter of cress? Because that's called cress, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what's the first letter of cress?
On the caterpillar.
Round the caterpillar. So what letter is it? Yeah? For cress. First we need to get is a saucepan. So bring it over here. That's it, pop it there. Right, I'm just going to put it into the corner because I'm going to put some hot water in it. We're going to boil 3 eggs. 1. Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
3.
Very good. So the other things that we've got are, what's this?
What's it?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
What's that? No, not everything. Why have you forgotten how to talk? In your long letters. For the mountains. Yeah?
It's like
The mayo.
when you say it goes
Bread.
But it goes round the caterpillar.
No, it's not round the caterpillar, it's but.
Yeah, but.
For bread. Okay, let's not sit on there. But. Right, so, first thing,
Boil.
boil water. Yeah, that's already been boiled.
Oh, please.
It's already been boiled, so I'm just going to pop it straight into the saucepan here. Okay?
Put one there and then it goes
We're
higher.
going to fill it up probably like 2/3 of the way up.
Now we're
And then we're going to turn the gas on.
going
And that's going to come up to a boil. Now we're going to hard boil these eggs. Okay? So we're going to cook them for 6 minutes. Pop it on.
well, that will go.
Very carefully. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to move that frying pan here. The next thing, Cody, is you're going to get a chopping board.
Yeah, that's my choice.
Okay. And then we're going to cut off the fat off this bacon. And we're going to get 3 bacons out. So get your knife and just chop off the white bit, which is the fat. So we get rid of all that fat because we don't need the fat. The fat's good for flavour, but we're trying to watch what we eat, so we're just going to cut the fat off. We're going to chop this bacon into tiny little strips. So watch your fingers and cut it backwards and forwards. Did who was the teacher that helped you with your watercress?
Myself.
You did it all on your own?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you can look after it.
Do you want to say hello to some of your friends at school?
Hello, Santa.
And what are their names?
Teddy and Banana.
Teddy? Who else is in your class?
Hedgehog.
You got a hedgehog in your class?
Yeah.
Wow.
Zebra.
Wish I had a hedgehog in my class. You got a hedgehog in your class, guys? Right, next bit.
No.
So we're going to turn the gas on this frying
For
pan.
you in the bed.
Okay.
For you.
Right, hang on a second. Let it get up to temperature first.
I'll have that.
Okay. Drop a little bit of oil in.
Drop a little oil in.
That's it. Very good.
Good boy.
So we're scooping it up with the knife and then popping it into there.
Well, I'm simple.
And it's going to start sizzling.
Not the other frying pan.
We're going to cut off the cress.
Yeah,
So
I don't want it to pick it off.
So we're gonna put it all together like a ponytail, girls, like that, and we're gonna snip it off like we're getting our hair cut at the barber's.
No.
Chop the top of the cress off,
Not the bottom
like
of
we're having his hair cut.
Yeah.
So you keep turning it round so you know where you're getting, because if you don't want to keep chopping in one place, because otherwise it's going to be all wonky like that. It will be really long one place and then really short the other. So we're going to keep turning it round and chopping it into there. Now go around the outside, give him a lovely little haircut. Do you reckon that's done, Code?
Yeah.
Yeah?
One more bit.
Excellent, well done. And then we're going to put a little bit more water in there, and that might grow to another one. There's holes in the bottom, so I'm going to put it in a little dish, leave it by the window, and it'll help it. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
It's broken.
Not too much, too much, too much, too much. Just a tiny pinch, that'll do. Yep. Okay. So about 6 minutes. It's going to turn that off. Turn that off. I'm going to scoop them out.
I hate eggs.
I'm going to scoop them out. I'm just going to rest them on top of this dish here. And I'm going to tip that water away.
Daddy, can I have some douche?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Do you want orange or blackcurrant?
Orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
What letter is the start of orange?
Wanda
Orange. Yeah, round the orange.
Yeah,
So
Wanda
it's
orange. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
so that's nice and crispy now, Cody. Can you see? All nice and brown and crispy.
I don't want that with mine.
I'm going to drag it up the frying pan so the oil goes down the frying pan because of gravity. For gravity. So gravity pulls things down. So the oil is going to go down the frying pan, but the bacon is going to stay up here because of friction.
You know what?
Okay.
When you do this,
So I'm going to pop that into there. What we're going to do now is turn the cold tap on, put the egg onto there,
yeah,
and we're going to put it underneath that. Do you want to hold that there until it cools down? So the cold water is going to cool it down.
it's cold.
Let's just keep going because I can see a little bit of smoke coming off it still, a little bit of steam. So we're going to tap it. You have that one. I'm doing this one.
Turn it,
Crack it.
tuck it,
Turn it. Crack it. 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 Until it's all cracked all around the outside. Okay, you still got a little bit there to crack, so crack around that side there. And then roll it very gently. And then we start taking off the shell.
I got the water.
Oh no, you're gonna win.
And I'm gonna just.
Oh, you win.
I do got some.
Yeah, let him take his hat off. Do you know that chickens can eat their shell, and it's really good for calcium for the strength of their new eggs. Squish and squash and squidgle and squidglet your eggs. So let's put. So leave your fork in it. Yeah, there you go. So 1 spoon, not a big spoon, just like a medium spoon. 1 spoon in.
I'm gonna put another bit in it.
Let's just see how it goes. Get a fresh chopping board. Just move that to the side a second. So, how big do you want your sandwich?
Super big.
Super big. Super big.
I want a what? That.
And the next one?
Did you put a what in there?
That's alright.
That going up again.
I know, yeah. I'm really happy that you made that at your school.
Yeah, the teacher helped me.
Did she? Which teacher helped you?
I don't. Not Mrs. Bailey.
Or the other one?
Yeah.
Do you want to say hello to her?
I don't know what her name is.
Oh.
Mrs. Ryington.
Oh, okay. Say hello then. Because they'll be watching.
Hello, Mrs. Ryington.
Good boy. So put your lid on.
1.
That's it. And then we get the big knife.
I don't want any.
You going to chop it?
No, you can chop
Do you want
it.
me to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Like that? Or do you want it triangle?
Yeah.
Like that?
Just put.
Ready?
Yeah. No, wait.
Look at it. Oh, it's amazing. Look at it. Mmm.
You're not allowed to eat that.
Well then, what's the verdict? Any good?
Yeah.
That's the smoky bacon really kicks in. You got the little kick of the pepper, the freshness of the cress.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to us on YouTube, find us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much to Cody's school for making a cress with him, and we know how to do it now, so we're going to make this all the time. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Bye.